We weren't going to be able to grow in the ways that we wanted to, and there wasn't going to be someone that could come along and say, we want to acquire you because with our reach, we can take this everywhere. My name is James Glover. I'm the founder and CEO of Coherent Path. Coherent Path is a predictive analytics company that works with retailers and other folks that are trying to build a relationship with their customers through digital marketing. Before Coherent Path, my co-founder Greg Lebon and I worked in the world of predictive analytics at a fraud software company called Memento. And we were working on the kinds of fraud that were longer running fraud schemes. So it was, I apply for a credit card and I try to use that card for 6 to 9 months and then run it up to the limit and disappear. This kind of fraud, you had to build a model of what does a customer look like and then try to compare that to these transactions to spot the counterfeit customer. So we got really good at modeling what customers look like. Fraud is seen as a cost of doing business. It's delegated several levels down in the organization, and that's because of the perceived value is perceived to be much less than the revenue side of the equations. We basically realized that the size of the addressable market was not going to be big enough for us to grow into be what we really wanted to be, and so how can we build customer journeys and how can we work together again as a team but on a problem that really matters? And we felt like helping retailers grow revenue by understanding the journeys their customers were on was a far better fit for the technology that we'd invested in, but also for the team that was working to try to get that into the market. So instead of being demoted to very low levels of a company that we're working with, we're being elevated to the highest levels of these organizations and seen as a very strategic partner. It's been incredibly gratifying to work with folks like Neiman Marcus and Express and L. Bean and Staples. These are massive retailers, and to be able to see each day how much value we're providing, and when that adds up to tens of millions of dollars by the end of the year, it gives you a great feeling that you might be onto something and that you can have a dramatic impact on some of these household names.